Here again, with easy and simple tips and tricks for your small-scale kitchen, we have rounded up few ideas which covers everything from storage to color combinations. Keep everything simple. Try to invest in a set of jars. It will create a balance and harmony in your kitchen, keeping one element in common such as the wooden lid. You can also use jars with different patterns such as this marble finish, which adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen look. Since we have limited space, add unique functional pieces like this tissue holder or a cute shelf. Even here, I have used pink jars with wooden structure to avoid too many options. Don't forget to label your spice jars. नहीं तो चीनी की जगह नमक डल जाएगी. Use rotating or organizing trays to keep all the spices together. Always add plants to your small kitchen. It will not take up space, instead, it will add freshness. Also, don't forget these tips for your dining table setup. Go for small dinner sets. It will be perfect for your kitchen cabinet as well as for your guests. Start with eco-friendly mats and mix it with some pop colors. I personally like a lot of colors, but too many colors can make the space look cluttered. So, mix and match solid with abstract patterns. This will glam up the space. This setup is also ideal for a perfect date. Create a small but beautiful home with your loved ones. These are few of our tips and tricks. We hope you liked it.